To my fellow movers, we did it! Today is our last day together. It's time to say goodbye. We may feel a little sad, but we are also happy because we achieved something that we never imagined. As we celebrate this special day, we remember all the things we learned. From shapes and colors, learning ABC, and counting 1, 2, 3, showing our talents, and all the fun adventures we shared. We play, we laugh, but we learn a lot. Thank you to our kind and loving teachers, Teacher Nadia and Teacher Mary Ann. Thank you for your patience, for taking care of us every day, and for teaching us. We sure we learn a lot. Truly they are child development workers. We will miss you, teachers. To our dear classmates who became our friends along the way, thank you for all the fun times together. We'll always remember all the things we shared. To our beloved parents, thank you for your love and support. We are so lucky and blessed to have you throughout our journey. Thank you for everything. To my Mommy Bear and Daddy Brian, I love you so much. Most of all, thank you, Papa Jesus, for your love and guidance throughout this journey. Today, it's not the end, but the beginning of our new journey to dream big and spread our wings. Again, movers, we did it! Congratulations to all of us for a job well done. God bless us all.